Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Jake and Emma.
Hi, friends. It's great to see you again. Today's episode is all about how to talk about what you like to do.
Yes, you'll learn how to say things like, I like playing football, or I love cooking.
We'll also practice pronunciation and real conversation examples.
So stay with us till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons.
All right, let's get started.
Let's begin with some easy words to talk about things you like. Repeat after me. I like.
I like.
We use I like to talk about things we enjoy. For example, I like reading. I like listening to music. I like playing games.
Good job. You can also say I love when you really enjoy something. For example, I love cooking. I love swimming.
Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I like reading. I love swimming. I love swimming.
Perfect. Your pronunciation is great.
Okay, Emma, let's have a short conversation.
Sure, let's do it.
Emma, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like painting. It makes me feel happy. What about you, Jake?
I like playing guitar. I also love watching movies on weekends.
Oh, that's fun. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. They're exciting.
I like romantic movies. They make me smile.
Laughs. That's sweet.
See? That's how you can talk about your hobbies and what you enjoy.
Let's look at the structure. I like plus verb plus ing.
Yes. For example, I like reading. I like cooking. I like swimming.
We don't say I like to read is also correct, but I like reading sounds more natural in conversation.
Let's practice some together. Repeat after us.
I like dancing.
I like listening to music.
I like learning English.
Nice. You're doing great.
Now, let's listen to a short story.
Okay. It's about two friends, Tom and Lisa.
Tom and Lisa are at a cafe. Hi, Lisa. What do you like to do on weekends?
Hi, Tom. I like going for walks in the park. I also like baking cakes.
That's nice. I like playing football with my friends.
Do you like cooking too?
Not really. I don't like cooking, but I like eating. Laughs.
Laughs. Me too.
That's a fun and simple way to talk about your hobbies.
Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat slowly after me. I like cooking. I like cooking.
I love reading. I love reading.
I like listening to music. I like listening to music.
Very good. Now, say it again a little faster. I like listening to music.
Excellent.
Sometimes you can use different phrases, not only I like.
Yes. You can also say, I enjoy watching TV. I'm interested in art. I'm crazy about football.
Let's repeat together. I enjoy watching TV. I'm interested in art. I'm crazy about football.
Good job.
Now, Emma, let's make it fun. Let's ask each other quick questions.
Great idea.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I do. I love dancing. Do you like cooking?
A little. I like eating more.
Laughs. Okay, do you like learning English?
Of course. And I know our viewers do too.
Yes, you all are amazing learners. Let's listen to one more short story.
Sure, this one is called At the Park.
On Saturday, Anna and her friend Leo go to the park.
Anna likes running. She runs every morning.
Leo likes playing basketball. He plays with his friends after school.
After that, they eat ice cream together.
They both love weekends.
Nice story. What do you like to do on weekends? Tell us in the comments below.
Okay, friends, let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about what you like to do.
We use I like plus verb plus ing. For example, I like reading. I like swimming. I love cooking.
We also learned some new expressions. I enjoy. I'm interested in. I'm crazy about.
Now, a quick quiz. How do you say you enjoy something in English? What's the difference between I like and I love? Can you make one sentence with I like?
Say your answers out loud or write them in the comments.
You did an amazing job today.
Yes. Keep practicing. The more you speak, the better you get.
Tell us in the comments, what do you like to do in your free time?
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy English podcasts.
You're doing great. Keep going and keep learning.
See you next time, friends.
Bye bye.